You know guys, DJI releases almost the perfect drone for the combat surveillance missions, and it's called Matrice 4. They recently published the presentation of it, and let's watch it. Obviously, it's not actually a combat drone, it's made for the civilian purposes, but it includes very interesting features.
Lightweight and powerful, always ready to take action. When critical moments arise, being the first to respond makes all the difference. Introducing the next generation of compact flagship drones, DJI Matrice 4 series.
A laser finder which also helps you to define the distance to the target, medium telecamera and wide-angle camera. Simple you have on your iPhone, if you have the iPhone obviously.
Experience exceptional
Or you may have this thing. The infrared thermal camera, medium telecamera, wide-angle camera, laser finder as in the previous model, NRI auxiliary light. Well, you don't need that stuff actually. Guess it's kind of stupid to disclose your location. Well, this module is way better because it has a thermal camera, so you can easily spot enemy during the night time.
Performance, powerful onboard computing, and advanced sensing features, all in a compact and portable design. In case of emergencies, the Matrice 4 series can respond quickly, allowing for extended aerial searches.
49 minutes maximum flight time, but it could be extended with extra batteries. I know that our guys doing that stuff.
Fast battery swaps and rapid takeoffs within 15 seconds. Equipped with AI computing capabilities, it can automatically detect vehicles, vessels, and subjects.
That's good. That's the power of the machine vision, which is available for DJI products. I also have the small compact drone for my use. It's DJI Mini, and actually it's very smart. Not AI, but it is able to track the subject. It's very nice.
An advanced laser rangefinder provides real-time pinpoint and measurements of lines or surfaces.
So you can actually define the distance to the target, between the targets, well, actually it gives lots of the useful information for operators, and later they can send all of that information to artillery, to the other ground forces, or to the FPV drones operators.
DJI Flight Hub 2 offers live overviews of searched areas and facilitates remote flight control, enhancing team collaboration.
So basically, if you remove the uniform, like change it for the military one, you'll have the same purpose. So you can monitor the drone, like your commander may receive the same signal as the drone operator, and he or she might command right away from the command post. We understand that now we already have those technologies on the front lines, but here with Matrice 4 you have a ready-to-go solution.
The O4 Enterprise Video Transmission provides reliable connectivity, paired with the DRTK3 signal relay in areas with signal obstructions.
So yeah, O4 is the new brand technology. Before it was O3. I have the FPV drone also with O3 technology. By the way, I send it to the proper place. But O4 obviously gives you a reliable signal, and you can put those transmitters, antennas to improve signal even more. So yeah, it's awesome.
You can maintain stable and clear video feeds. The Matrice 4T excels in nighttime operations. Its advanced computing power enhances thermal imaging, delivering ultra-high resolution infrared visuals.
You see, they even mark human with a red color here.
Red visuals. Connect the AL1 spotlight in tandem with the gimbal, along with the AS1 real-time voice speaker for search and rescue missions.
Yeah, you don't need it. Like in Ukraine for sure, no one will wave you like from Russians. They should never see the drone actually, but there were some of the rescue missions done by Ukrainian side. Some of the Russians were definitely imprisoned by the drones.
The Matrice 4 series open computing power facilitates object model training such as animal detection for wildlife conservation.
Do you need animal detection for Russian forces?
In addition to full-color night scene mode, the black and white mode can utilize the NIR light for clear images in dark environments.
Oh, that's what the NRI light, but I think the drone will be spotted in this case. Yeah.
For increased detail, smart low-light photo is available. During power grid inspections, the Matrice 4 series combines safety and efficiency. Its medium telecamera can capture extreme details of meters and dials from a safe distance.
Yeah, you don't need that on the front lines actually, but for the job they show, yeah, it is good.
Advanced sensing capabilities assist in bypassing obstacles in complex environments, guaranteeing safe operations. In urban areas, the DJI Cellular Dongle 2 provides stable signals for uninterrupted performance. Inspect bridges even if GNSS signals are blocked. The Fusion positioning and navigation system ensures safe and accurate flight operation.
That's good. So if you lose GPS, you still have some of the navigation. Nice.
The new telecamera offers increased resolution.
Wow, that's probably the most awesome tool here. So let's watch it again.
The camera offers increased resolution.
Just look at this. Is it the zoom? Is it looks like that? Wow. So the zoom cameras, they really matter.
The Matrice 4E redefines mapping efficiency. Its remote controller supports customizable flight routes. Use the built-in DJI Terra modeling capability to generate rough 3D models on-site to plan detailed mapping missions. The DRTK3 multifunctional station can be used to collect precise control points and provide accurate positioning data for drones.
You see, so you have to have this base station. You can place it elsewhere and probably will have the good precise signal, but also it helps you see to create this kind of the 3D modeling of particular building.
Matrice 4 series also supports 0.5 second shooting interval and 5-directional oblique capture. For 2D orthophoto missions, it supports 3-directional capture, providing unparalleled accuracy and speed. Onboard computing capabilities enable effortless omnidirectional terrain-following flights. When used with DJI Terra, it improves the accuracy for 3D reconstruction of detailed projects.
Wow, this is awesome. You don't need it on the front lines, but this drone is really capable for this small size.
The Matrice 4 series is designed for versatility and offers onboard computing power, enabling users to customize the drone's AI capabilities and integrate third-party software and hardware to expand applications.
Well, it's good that DJI says about the third-party components, because usually, producers, they want to sell their own components. Here, they say, okay, this drone is compatible to everything.
With the DJI Matrice 4 series, you can accurately capture the world using smart 3D capture, maintain infrastructure with high-resolution imagery, illuminate the darkest environments, and protect lives with advanced AI. Fly into the new age of intelligence.
Actually, it could be an awesome job to be a drone operator of the Matrice drone. You're always somewhere, very interesting environment, especially I think for the animals and the rescue missions. Then you have to find objects. I think it's awesome. Well, before this drone was used massively by our soldiers, it's DJI multicopter Matrice 30T. It also has the wide lens thermal camera and telecamera. But those drones are damn expensive. As you can see here, it's up to 10,000 euros. But for the job they do, it's actually awesome. Well, Matrice 4 is a little different. It's lighter and the price of it is roughly 6,200 francs, which is almost the same as in euros. So here you see a very, very capable drone for lower price, but probably the flight time for it is lower compared to Matrice 30T. Oh no, the flight time for 30T is almost the same as for Matrice, so 40 with something minutes, 41 they say, but usually have lower than officially announced by DJI. So 30 minutes, 100% you may stay in the air. There are also drones like Mavic 3M, you may get it also with thermal camera, but it's not as capable as Matrice 4, for example. And yeah, this drone with a thermal module is good to go for combat missions as well. But the thing is that Chinese companies, they do not allow to sell the drones for the military purposes and they limit the export. However, there are still companies created which are buying those drones, let's say for the construction purposes, for the wildlife surveillance, for rescue missions, but after all, those drones are being sold to Ukraine. So it's a good alternate option for 30-40% less money compared to Matrice 30T, so for sure they'll find themselves in Ukrainian army and probably also in the Russian one. Here we have even Matrice 30T, which carries some load. However, it's not the main mission for the drones like that. Mostly they're used for surveillance because of the camera module with a good zoom. And those are Matrice 300, I guess. Yeah, 300 because they have the separate gimbal, which is lower, also used mainly for surveillance missions. And the small drones like that are sometimes also okay for Ukrainian warriors, but maybe not Mini 2 because they're kind of the ancient drones. You can still use those for the personal surveillance, but they're not that capable. So it's obviously better to have Mavic 3 at least or something like that. It is also more stable in a windy environment, which sometimes you have in Ukraine, because in Donbass, for example, the terrain is really flat, so for wind it's very easy to blow everywhere. In the south of Ukraine as well. And unfortunately, guys, our European or even American partners, they cannot replace the DJI drones. Yeah, they're Autel drones, but they're not so massively in Ukrainian army compared to DJI products. So yeah, China continue to produce lots of the stuff, and our army, Ukrainian one, uses the drones in their particular purposes. They were not designed for military, but even the Chinese army is using the same drones. For example, this is Mavic 3 for the drone drops and for surveillance as well. So yeah, those are the modern day realities of the wars. So guys, it's all what I want to say today. Ciao.